Hello, my friends. The Rock is back. Let's rock this show, my friends. Let's practice one more time. This time I'm using the fraction that has not a 1 on the numerator. All right, let's get to it. So we have 2/3 minus 1/4. They have their denominator is not the same. It's an unlike denominator. So we're going to convert it into a like denominator. This is 2/3 and this is 1/4. So now, here's what happens, my friends. So this one says have 3 parts. Okay, the denominator says 3 parts. The denominator over here says 4 parts. So we're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4. That the numerator says 2 are shaded, or sometimes in a problem you can say 2 have been eaten or 2 have been cut out or something of that sort. This one, the numerator says 1. So we're just going to color 1, cut out 1, shade 1. Okay, now so far so good. Now, these two are opposite denominators, so that's what happens. We're going to multiply this by the opposite denominator, and it has to be the numerator and that denominator multiplied by the same opposite denominator. And now, this one, it has to be multiplied by the opposite denominator, which is a 3. And again, the numerator has to be multiplied by 3, and the denominator has to be multiplied by 3. Now let's do it on our picture. If this has 3 parts, and that one 4, then we have to make this one 4 parts. 4 more parts. 1, 2, 3. So we got to do the same thing over here. Now we have to divide it in 3 more parts. 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. So now we found our equivalent fractions, my friends. This one says 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. And let's say, look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Now we'll multiply the numerators. 4 times 3 equals 8. And 3 times 1 equals 3. My friends, we found the equivalent fractions. And now our next step is going to be step number 2. Rewrite fraction. No, fraction subtraction. Ooh, we made a rhyme. So let's rewrite it. So it was, the original subtraction was 2/3 minus 1/4. But now we found the equivalent fractions, which is 8/12 minus 3/12. Okay? On our third step, my friends, on our third step, we're going to use the model to show the subtraction. Subtract with model. Okay, let's do the model. So let's do this. So we have 8/12. So once again, we remember that it has to be divided 3 horizontal and 4 vertical. So it's going to be 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then 4 vertical. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why do we do that? Because that's now how many parts each whole is divided into. So here's the fraction. The fraction says we have 12. And we have to subtract, mark 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8. So this one says out of the 12, we have 8 highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect, that's 8. And we have to subtract 3 of them. So minus 3, 1, 2, 3, my friends. So now we know that the answer is that denominator is the same, and we subtract 8 minus 3 equals 5, and that's exactly what we have here left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My friends, we found the common denominators to subtract fractions that have a different denominator. So now we're going to rewrite an answer. A 12 minus 3 12 equals 5 12, my friends. My friends, let's rock this math world. Make it happen. Keep learning. Make today a day when you feel like you are conquering the world. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.